But in many organizations, they have a coding standard, some sort of guideline that says, you developer, as you're writing code, here are the rules about writing code. Here are naming conventions. Here are layout conventions. Here are blah, blah, blah. And that's fine, okay? But then the question is kind of, why do you have a coding standard? What is the benefit of having a coding standard? A couple of benefits. But then I ask the question, do you have a testing standard? Is there an agreement for how we do testing around here? And really, the idea is that if you're going to have a testing standard, it should be risk-based. And so we've worked with a number of organizations in putting in place a risk-based testing strategy. So it's not at a project level, it's at the organization level. For all software projects in our organization, or said a better way, for all software products in our organization, under these conditions, you must do this amount of testing before you can deploy. Mm-hmm. Under those conditions, you need to do that amount of testing. And it becomes consistent across the entire organization. So you don't have some projects over testing, some projects under testing. As somebody said, it's not a judgment call anymore. It's a procedure. Right. Because we have this much exposure, we are required by the organizational standard, the policies and procedures, to do that much testing before we can send it out.
So Steve, I'll throw another